Now we have learned what is noun and their kinds. This is the time to solve the exercises. Write the kind of noun. This is a school. So you know that it is a noun, but tell me which kind of noun is school. School is a common noun because here the name for the school is not given. This is a boy whose name is Sanjay. Tell me which kind of noun is Sanjay. Sanjay is a proper noun. As I told you, the proper noun is the name of a particular person. Here is a book on your screen. So tell me which kind of noun is book. Book is a common noun. If I would say mass book or marigold book, then it can be a proper noun. Here is a crowded market on your screen. Do you know the name of this market? No. So this is a common noun. Here is a road on your screen. The name of this road is MG Road. It is a specific name for the road, so it is a proper noun. Do you know the names of these birds? No, the name is not given here, so it is a common noun. Now you can see a picture of Mahatma Gandhi ji on your screen. As it is a specific name of a person, so it is a proper noun. Next is English. English is a specific language, so it is a proper noun. Hello children, I am a teacher. Do you know which kind of noun is a teacher? Yes, you are right. Teacher is a common noun. Which kind of noun is New Delhi? Yes, it is a proper noun because it is a name of specific place. Which kind of noun is honesty? Honesty is something which we cannot touch or see. This is the thing which we can feel only. Tell me children, which kind of noun is honesty? Take your time. I will count till 3. 1, 2, 3. Yes, you all are right. It is an abstract noun. Now tell me which kind of noun is city. Do you know the name for the city? No, we don't know. So it is a common noun. Previously, we were not having the name of the school, but now we have the specific name, St. Peter's School. So it is a yes, proper noun. Now you can see a pilot on your screen. Do you know which kind of noun is a pilot? Yes, it is a common noun. As I have given a picture of a boy, you all must be wondering that why it is a common noun. As I told you earlier, the name of person, place, animal and thing in general is a common noun. So boy is also a common noun and pilot is also a common noun as we don't have specific name here. Next is classroom. Do you know which class is this? No, we don't know and we don't have the specific name also. So it is a common noun. Now I have few more examples of nouns. First one is boy. Boy is a common noun as we don't have the specific name of this boy here. India Gate, which is a specific name of place, so it is a proper noun. Kindness. Kindness is a thing which we cannot touch or see. It is a feeling. So this is an abstract noun, film. So we don't have a specific name for this film. So it is a common noun. Monica, it is a specific name. Proper noun. Freedom, abstract noun. Train, common noun. Mughal, garden, proper noun. Children, common noun. Bravery, an abstract noun. Pen, pens do have their names, like we can say pilot pen, but here the specific name is not given, so it is a common noun. Andhra Pradesh, which is proper noun. Now brother, chair and girl, all are common nouns here. Now we have our another exercise. Underline the abstract nouns in the following sentences. First sentence is she is enjoying her motherhood. So here motherhood is an abstract noun. He kept his friendship with Raj throughout his life. Friendship is here an abstract noun. Due to his intelligence, Ravi scored the highest mark. Here intelligence is an abstract noun. Have you taken the membership of this club? Here membership is an abstract noun. Many people live below the poverty line. Here poverty is an abstract noun. Everybody laughed at his foolishness. Here foolishness is an abstract noun. Rest from 7 to 12 you will do by yourself. Here is another exercise for you which you have to solve by yourself. On left side there are 10 common nouns given. On right side you have to write proper nouns for them. First common noun is country, for which in your book China is written. Similarly you will do all. Let us practice one more exercise. Write common nouns for each of the following. Number 1, a person who flies a plane. It is obvious, pilot. And I have told you earlier, pilot is a common noun. Next, a bird that has a red beak. Parrot, a place where the guests sit in your home. Drawing room, a thing that tells us the time. Clock or watch, a place where you live. Home, a person who makes bread. Baker, an animal that is called the sheep of the desert. It is also obvious. Camel, a place where you play. Playground, a place where you buy all kinds of things. It can be market, a place where birds lay their eggs. It is nest. Now the next exercise is write whether the highlighted nouns are countables or uncountables. So the first question is she takes milk daily. As we cannot count milk which is liquid, so it is uncountable noun. Question number 2 is I would prefer tea than coffee. Here both tea and coffee are uncountable nouns. Experienced candidates will be promoted soon. Candidates are the people, we can count them, so it is a countable noun. This exercise is very difficult. Exercise can be countable if we are talking about the exercises of the book, but here it is given about a particular exercise which is difficult. So we cannot count the group of movements in a particular exercise as given here. So it is an uncountable noun. The children are making a noise. Children we can count in number. So it is a countable noun. Cheese is made from milk. Both cheese and milk we cannot count. So these are uncountable nouns. I take a glass of juice in the morning. It is also uncountable noun. I need cooking oil to make food. Oil is also uncountable noun. Dear students, for this week you all are requested to do each exercise daily in your grammar book, which I have explained in this video. Thank you.